It is an essential function of to establish controls and safeguard assets of the entity. Answer: management. A supplier issue false and duplicate invoices. Which type of fraud and corruption has taken place? Fraud है external fraud and corruption. If one party intentionally deceives the other through the means of false representation in order to gain illicit and unjust advantage, this is called. Answer: fraud. If an organization there is a loss of a valuable resource resulting from a false representation made knowingly by an employee, the organization may take action on the basis of. Answer: fraud. What is the main motivational factors that influence fraud and corruption? So all of the above. Number एक, lack of economic motivation, motivated by greed. Persons may feel they deserve more prestige or more recognition. Lack of moral superiority. Computer fraud may involve the following: all of the above: manipulation of a computer, manipulation of a computer data, manipulation of audit trail. SOSI guideline number dash impage that SI should review whether applicable accounting standards ensure adequate recognition of assets and liabilities and disclosure of true financial position, inclusive of any losses resulting from fraud and corruption. Answer 4. Which of the following types of fraud and corruption should be reported in contracting for goods and services? Answer: all of the above. Number 1, bribery and kickbacks. Number 2, this may also involve front loading of contract in the hope of increasing the price of the original contract through change orders or subsequent modification to the contract. Number 3, duplicate payments. Number 4, collusive of cartel bidding. Number 5, defective pricing and false invoices. What is the main organizational environment factors that influence fraud and corruption? तो भाई all of the above. नंबर 1, इंसेंटिव इनसिक्योर इम्पल्सिव और टू स्ट्रिक्ट मैनेजमेंट. नंबर 2, an organization in which the corporate policies are unclear, there is inadequate internal control, excessive regulation, red tapeism, inadequate accountability, or history of program abuse is likely to have more incidences of fraud and corruption. Number 3, poor management structure and policies are indicated by high turnover of employees, absenteeism, poor documentation, low awareness of regulatory requirements, and lack of transparency in reward systems. An employee of an entity falsifies the payroll data. Which type of fraud and corruption taken place? Answer: internal fraud and corruption. Which of the following statement regarding fraud and corruption is true? Both. First and second. Loss to the auditee is usually fairly apparent in cases of fraud. In the case of corruption, the corrupt government employee may benefit from the act. Which of the following statement can define the corruption? Answer: it involves effort to influence and dash or the abuse of public authority through the giving or the acceptance of inducement or illegal reward for undue personal or private advantage. The distinguishing factor between fraud and error is, फ्रॉड और एरर के बीच में जो डिफरेंस है वो है इंटेंशन. फ्रॉड डिपेंडिंग अपॉन इन्वॉल्वमेंट ऑफ मेंबर में भी. फ्रॉड किन किन के द्वारा होता है? एम्प्लॉय फ्रॉड होता है और मैनेजमेंट फ्रॉड होता है. बोथ. The advantage benefit due to fraud to an individual or a group of individual will be आंसर tangible होना चाहिए. Auditor should be aware of possibility of fraud in. ऑडिटर को जानकारी होनी चाहिए किस किस चीज़ में फ्रॉड हो सकता है. आंसर है प्रिपरेशन एंड प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स में. Which color flag are used to indicate that further scrutiny of items would be required beyond audit of an act of fraud suspect by appropriate agency like CBI, CVC, लोकायुक्त. तो जो कलर फ्लैग यूज किए जाएंगे फ्रॉड को इंडिकेट करने के लिए उनका कलर होगा रेड. आंसर रेड कलर. The two types of intention misstatements in financial statements are relevant to auditor. फाइनल स्टेटमेंट के हिसाब से दो तरह की स्टेटमेंट्स होते हैं इंटेंशन के लिए. बोथ ऑफ अबव आंसर है. नंबर वन मिस स्टेटमेंट्स रिजल्टिंग फ्रॉम मिस अप्रोप्रिएशन ऑफ एसेट्स. नंबर दो मिस स्टेटमेंट रिजल्टिंग फ्रॉम फ्रॉडुलेंट फाइनेंशियल रिपोर्टिंग. The field offices should send reports on cases of suspected material fraud and corruption noticed by them to headquarter office. तो फील्ड ऑफिस जो रिपोर्ट भेजेंगे वो भेजेंगे हाफ ईयरली. The draft of post-audit report letter chief ministers containing brief mention of issues of fraud and corruption be sent. तो जो ड्राफ्ट पोस्ट ऑडिट रिपोर्ट जाएगी वो जाएगी एनुअली फ्रॉड एंड करप्शन की. Each field office should establish a database of fraud or corruption which reviewed by AG. जो AG है डाटाबेस को रिव्यू करेंगे वो करेंगे क्वार्टरली. Which are the two fraud specific internal controls? फ्रॉड के दो इंटरनल कंट्रोल होते हैं एक्टिव इंटरनल कंट्रोल और पैसिव इंटरनल कंट्रोल्स. While reporting to investigating or vigilance agency for audit reports relating to state UT government, concerned AG is the nodal officer. For union government, reports may be sent by respective report controlling wings under the orders of. आंसर आएगा ADAI/DAI. When the fraud is disclosed in the financial statement, the auditor may which opinion on the financial statement. फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स में जब ऑडिटर को ओपिनियन देना है फ्रॉड के बारे में वो कौन सा ओपिनियन देगा वो देगा क्वालिफाइड ओपिनियन. थैंक यू गाइज.